Welcome to Maa Narayani Construction, presenting our ongoing project by Maa Narayani Construction near Mahidharpada East College, Cuttack. This premium G+2 residential building is being developed on a 2,150 square feet plot with a total construction area of 5,100 square feet. Designed with modern architecture, structural strength, and maximum space utility, this home reflects our commitment to quality and innovation in construction. At Maa Narayani Construction, we are with you every step of the way, from your layout plan design to delivering your dream home right into your hands. Discover full project details on our official website, maanarayaniconstruction.com. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Save our number 9938441501 and call us today to schedule a site visit. Thank you.